It provided an opportunity for me to reflect on my own career, then to be recognized by peers, other alumni and the Alumni Association for this award is quite rewarding for me. I graduated in 1985. I would have never comprehended, what my role would be and is right now. Healthcare simulation did not exist to the degree that it is now. And my role as an educator in preparing students for the future in the way that I do now just didn't exist in 1985. In healthcare simulation, we utilize simulation methodologies to bridge the gap between the classroom and real clinical care. So this provides an opportunity for learners to make their mistakes in simulation prior to then applying them in clinical care, and as they progress to be contemporary healthcare providers. So I like to think that the impact of my success has been reflected in the professional development of others as well, so that they in turn can utilize healthcare simulation in their workplace. I believe the diversity of experiences that I had at SVSU really prepared me not only as a professional, but for my experiences and my success made me a more holistic person, exposed me to populations of patients, and then in turn that better prepared me to be a nurse as I began my career, then ultimately as an educator and educating diverse populations of learners. So I attribute a lot of that to my experiences at SVSU.